Have you noticed that quiet change in your body after you turn 60? Maybe mornings feel slower, your muscles seem a little weaker, or it takes longer to recover after a walk or light activity. Most people just shrug and say that's aging. But what if it's not just aging itself? What if subtle shifts in energy, strength, and resilience could actually be influenced by the foods we choose to eat? Foods that quietly nourish the body at the cellular level, supporting muscles, joints, blood vessels, and overall vitality. Before we go further, I need to be clear. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. It's not medical advice or a treatment plan. Always talk to your healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, exercise, or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions. Don't ignore professional guidance based on what you hear here. Here's the thing. Most people assume healthy eating after 50 or 60 just means sticking with the basics, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins we've known for years. But research suggests that some of the most potent nutrients come from foods most people have never heard of. These are rare foods that evolved in harsh conditions over thousands of years, naturally packing antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and minerals that may support healthy aging in ways conventional foods can't. After this, we're going to take a closer look at 5 rare Australian foods, each with unique properties that research suggests may support energy, muscle strength, circulation, and overall vitality for seniors. Number 1, Kakadu Plum, nature's vitamin C powerhouse. Kakadu Plum is one of those rare foods that quietly carries an incredible biological story. At first glance, it looks like a small green fruit that could easily be overlooked on a market shelf. Yet biochemically, it stands out in a remarkable way. Research indicates that Kakadu plum contains up to 100 times more vitamin C than an orange, making it arguably the most concentrated natural source of this essential nutrient in the world. Vitamin C is not simply about preventing colds, as many people have been taught. Within the body, it plays a critical role in collagen synthesis, which supports the structure and elasticity of blood vessels, cartilage, connective tissues, and skin. As we age, collagen production gradually declines. Blood vessels lose some of their flexibility, joints recover more slowly, and skin becomes thinner. Studies suggest that incorporating vitamin C-rich foods like Kakadu plum may support the body's ongoing collagen production, helping tissues remain resilient and functional even as the years pass. But what makes this fruit particularly fascinating is that its benefits go beyond vitamin C. Kakadu plum contains polyphenols, plant compounds known for their antioxidant properties. Oxidative stress, the accumulation of cellular wear and tear over time, contributes to aging at the tissue level. These antioxidants may help neutralize harmful free radicals, supporting cellular health and overall tissue integrity. For seniors looking to enhance their wellness, Kakadu plum represents a nutrient-dense option that is both unique and potent. It is not merely a supplement or a trendy superfood. It's a naturally evolved source of compounds that have supported life in extreme conditions for thousands of years. By gently integrating such foods into a daily diet, research suggests that older adults may help maintain vascular health, joint strength, and tissue resilience, supporting a foundation for healthier living in later decades. Number 2, Wattleseed, protein-rich fuel for steady energy. Wattleseed is a remarkable example of how traditional foods can quietly support multiple aspects of health, particularly for seniors. For thousands of years, Indigenous Australian communities have harvested these seeds from acacia trees, roasting or grinding them into flour for a rich, nutty flavor. But beyond their culinary appeal, Wattleseed is nutritionally unique. Research indicates it contains high-quality protein, dietary fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium, making it more than just a snack. It's a functional food that interacts with the body's metabolism in meaningful ways. As people age, subtle changes often occur in how the body regulates blood sugar. Meals that once felt balanced may now lead to energy dips or mid-afternoon fatigue. What's really happening is that insulin signaling, the body's system for moving glucose into cells, can become slightly less efficient over time. Wattleseed, with its combination of protein and fiber, helps slow the absorption of glucose in the digestive system. This slower release may support steadier energy levels, helping seniors feel more consistent vitality throughout the day. But its benefits don't stop at energy. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, and magnesium plays a role in muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and cellular energy production. For elderly adults, these elements can contribute to better mobility, stability, and resilience. What makes Wattleseed particularly compelling is that it delivers multiple nutrients simultaneously, creating a subtle, supportive effect on overall metabolism. It's not a single nutrient in isolation, but a whole food evolved in harsh environments that naturally balances energy, protein, and minerals. Integrating Wattleseed into a senior-friendly diet may help the body maintain both metabolic stability and physical vitality, reinforcing the foundation for healthy living well into later decades. Number 3, Bunya nuts supporting muscle and sustained energy. Bunya nuts are a fascinating component of Australia's native food landscape, offering a combination of nutrients that may be particularly valuable for seniors. These large nuts come from the Bunya pine trees found in eastern Australia, and historically, Indigenous communities would gather them during seasonal harvests. Beyond their cultural and culinary significance, Bunya nuts are nutritionally noteworthy because they provide both protein and complex carbohydrates, a combination that supports muscle maintenance and sustained energy. As we age, gradual muscle loss or sarcopenia becomes a common concern. Muscles are critical not only for mobility and balance, but also for overall metabolic health, including glucose regulation and energy expenditure. Protein intake plays a vital role in helping the body maintain and repair lean muscle tissue. At the same time, complex carbohydrates offer a slow, releasing energy source that fuels muscles over longer periods, reducing fatigue and supporting daily activity. But the benefits of Bunya nuts go beyond energy and muscle. They contain minerals such as magnesium and potassium, which contribute to nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and cardiovascular function. These nutrients help the body maintain the physical resilience necessary for activities ranging from walking to more dynamic movement, supporting independence and a sense of vitality in later years. What makes Bunya nuts particularly interesting is the way their nutrient profile works synergistically. Protein, complex carbohydrates, and minerals all interact to support muscle recovery, metabolic stability, and sustained energy levels. For seniors aiming to maintain strength and mobility, including Bunya nuts in the diet may offer a natural, nutrient-rich way to support healthy living, helping the body function more efficiently while preserving physical capacity over time. Number 4, finger lime antioxidant support for healthy inflammation. Finger lime is one of Australia's most visually striking and biologically intriguing native fruits. Often called citrus caviar because of its tiny, bead-like pulp, it offers more than just a unique texture and flavor. Research indicates that finger limes are rich in citrus flavonoids and vitamin C, compounds known to interact with the body's inflammatory pathways and support antioxidant defense. As we age, many seniors experience a subtle, persistent form of inflammation, sometimes referred to as flammaging. This low-grade inflammation can affect cardiovascular health, joint function, and even cognitive processes over time. What most people don't realize is that diet plays a key role in modulating these pathways. Foods like finger lime, with their potent mix of flavonoids, may help the body respond more efficiently to cellular stress, supporting healthier inflammatory balance. Beyond inflammation, the vitamin C content in finger lime continues to play a role in collagen production and tissue repair, complementing other nutrients that support the structural integrity of blood vessels, joints, and connective tissues. Additionally, the natural antioxidants found in the fruit help neutralize oxidative stress, which accumulates in cells over decades and contributes to the aging process at a molecular level. Finger lime is also a practical addition to a senior-friendly diet because it can be incorporated into a variety of meals without drastically changing flavor or texture. It provides nutrient density without excess calories or sugar, which is important for maintaining metabolic stability. By including finger lime in regular dietary patterns, seniors may support vascular health, joint integrity, and cellular resilience in a subtle but meaningful way. Its combination of flavonoids, vitamin C, and antioxidants illustrates how rare, naturally evolved foods can gently influence the body's ability to maintain healthy function well into later decades. Number 5, Davidson's Plum vascular health and antioxidant power. Davidson's plum is a strikingly deep purple fruit native to Australia, and its vivid color hints at the powerful nutrients it contains. Research indicates that the fruit is exceptionally rich in anthocyanins, the plant pigments responsible for red, blue, and purple hues in many berries. These compounds are particularly interesting for senior health because studies suggest they may support vascular flexibility and healthy circulation, both of which become increasingly important with age. As we grow older, maintaining proper circulation is critical. Every tissue in the body, from the brain to the muscles, relies on a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients. When blood vessels lose flexibility or circulation becomes less efficient, it can affect energy levels, cognitive function, and overall vitality. Anthocyanins in Davidson's plum may help the body maintain healthy endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels that controls dilation and blood flow, which contributes to optimal delivery of nutrients throughout the body. Beyond vascular support, Davidson's plum contains a range of antioxidants that help neutralize oxidative stress, the cellular damage that accumulates over time and contributes to aging. By mitigating oxidative stress, this fruit may support the health of blood vessels, muscles, and even cognitive function. For seniors seeking ways to enhance energy, circulation, and cellular resilience, Davidson's plum represents a nutrient-dense, naturally evolved option that complements other rare Australian foods. Integrating such fruits into daily meals can provide subtle, cumulative benefits that encourage the body to function more effectively, supporting healthy living and vitality well into later decades. If you've enjoyed exploring these rare foods with me today, make sure to subscribe to the channel because there's so much more about senior health, practical wellness tips, and unique foods that can quietly transform your everyday vitality waiting for you.